The following video contains scenes that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Killer. You see it? Now, on the 10th of June 2019, in a place that is called Del City at Oklahoma, United States of America, a lady was seen on surveillance camera firing shots at her neighbor's house. And she did not only fire shots, but she also light a towel, set it ablaze, and toss it at the neighbor's house. You see me? And social media wondered why she did that, but I'm going to explain in a few. But first, I'm going to show you the video so that you have a better view for yourself of how this thing happened. But before I show you the video, I have to warn you that the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe. Viewers and subscribers, what I just saw is dispute between neighbors, homeowners having disagreement. That lady that you saw firing shots at her neighbor's house, it's her own surveillance camera that gave the evidence to investigators when them come on the scene, because neighbors said that they heard the explosions, but they thought it was firecrackers, because you know 4th of July is around the corner, so a little bit of that is going to happen where you hear a little fireworks. So they thought it was fireworks. And it has been reported that this is not the first time this lady that you saw firing shots at the neighbor's house, this is not the first time she has been charged for arson, you know. So that's what it is, you know. It's just homeowners having a dispute, and she decided to take the matters into her own hands. Alright? But anyway, you don't know me only bring two no hot on social media, keeping up to date and posted. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Killa. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?